Hello dear viewers, this will be an unbiased review of Huobi Global Exchange and whether or not it's worth using, so let's begin. Before that, if you like value and quality information, then do subscribe for the best cryptocurrency content. So Huobi started in 2013 in China to become a major cryptocurrency exchange before moving to Seychelles. Huobi expanded to South Korea, Japan, Malaysia, Singapore and the US, but according to the latest information, they've withdrawn from Japan and the US. The exchange currently has 396 cryptocurrencies with very high volume in 24 hours, making it rank the 9th spot behind Kraken, Coinbase and Binance, as well as other exchanges. It was intriguing that they ran many challenges, giveaways and ads on their front page more than other cryptocurrency exchanges, which gives it that element of giving too many offers. They accept more than 50 fiat currencies and have payment options like credit cards, P2P, wire transfers using banks. The dashboard when you sign up for Huobi looks very confusing than other crypto exchanges. That is based on user preferences, however. In terms of securing your account, you have 2FA options like phone number or Google Authy. Google Authy is much more recommended, by the way, no matter what exchange you use. I noticed they offer a trading password and an anti-phishing code, which is more important, I think, one has nowadays, because you cannot distinguish between genuine and fake emails. So for verification, you need an ID card, passport or driver's license. When you get verified, exchange will get 100 BTC per 24 hours withdrawal limit. You also get for P2P $1,500 trading volume, which is weird because when I traded on other exchanges, there's no limit on how much you're trading on the P2P platform. Of course, there are no upper limits for derivatives exchanges because they're making billions of dollars. Now let's explore the fee structure for trading. So the fee structure is a bit weird. I noticed that the spot rate is 0.2%. However, if you own Huobi tokens, the spot rate reduces accordingly. So if you own more than 10 Huobi tokens, you are adjusted for 0.18% fee rate. And talking about Huobi token, it looks like Binance Coin in the early days of Binance Bank in 2017 and 2018, where Binance Coin was used as a cryptocurrency that will get you deductions on your trading fee. So it's interesting to see that just a few years ago, a Huobi token was only a single dollar in value. So if you had more than $5,000 invested in Huobi token at the time, today your fee rate is 0.07%. Just an interesting fact. Huobi offers staking services, however, I do not recommend it due to the lack of options compared to other exchanges. DeFi is also available, not to mention ETH 2.0 staking, which the exchange runs with a minimum deposit of 0.1 ETH. So rather than running your own node with 32 Ethereum, you can deposit as little as 0.1 ETH and benefiting from the Ethereum 2.0 beacon chain. So security wise, it's much higher than other cryptocurrency exchanges, as there were no security breaches recorded and 98% of the coins that they are holding is in cold multi-signature storage wallets, not to mention a 20,000 Bitcoin fund in case the exchange was ever hacked. However, as we always recommend, that you need to store your own coins in your own wallet, as not your keys, not your crypto, and this rule applies to all exchanges no matter how secure they may seem. In my research, I found an intriguing accusation towards Huobi. One user claims that they've had most of their funds stolen from their exchange wallets. However, when I analyzed this case closely, I noticed that the accuser claims that Huobi, or the hacker in their own words, removed 2FA authentication, sold the coins at a higher price before withdrawing them, which doesn't make sense because if they wanted to withdraw something, they can just sell it on the spot market price directly. It's much cheaper. But you notice that the user leaked important information as time of the transaction, meaning that the price of the coin at the time may have exposed their accusation as a lie. So maybe it was used as an excuse. That's my analysis of the situation. But also, the accuser has not been active for 3 years and did not post any more posts, so you can take this with a grain of salt. So in the end, to conclude everything, Huobi Exchange has great trading fees and top-of-the-line opportunities like staking and ETH 2.0. Security is phenomenal till now, as they have been able to deliver on promises, and the number of supported cryptos and fiat currencies is also on par with big cryptocurrency exchanges. Even though there are negative reports out there from certain individuals, it does not represent the full picture, as for example, I'm on Kraken and it has many negative reviews on Trustpilot, but their exchange and support is excellent, and I'm not paid to say that, it's just my experiences with them. I think Huobi can be a good addition to your crypto trading venture, and it offers a lot of gainful opportunities. I want to thank you if you've watched thus far, and if you're not subscribed, welcome to the Bittruth channel, where we share tips and tricks, information and value with viewers, and we hope to have you join us. If you have any concerns or questions, comment down below. Goodbye!